Hey there, friends! Welcome to my channel. I'm so excited you're here. Today, I've got a treat for you. We're making a puff stitch heart keychain. It's quick, easy, and perfect for beginners. Plus, it's an awesome handmade gift idea for someone special. You're going to love how cute this turns out. I really hope you find this video super helpful and enjoy making your own heart. Remember, you can use absolutely any colors you love. Let your imagination run wild and make it totally unique. Tell me in the comments what colors you're picking. I can't wait to hear. For this project, I'll be using Himalaya Himagurumi cotton yarn. To bring our keychains to life, we'll be using a 2.5mm crochet hook. If you love crochet tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now, let us get started. First things first, let's start by making a magic ring. Chain 1. Now, let's make a single crochet into the ring. Into the ring, yarn over and pull up a loop 3 times to make a puff stitch. Chain 2. Yarn over and pull up a loop 3 times into the ring to make another puff stitch. Chain 2. Repeat this process until you have 8 puff stitches in total inside the magic ring. Focus on getting those 8 puffs and chain 2 spaces right. Take your time here. Once you've made all 8 puff stitches, pull the magic ring tight to close the circle. Then join the round by slip stitching into the top of the first puff stitch. Start with a chain 1. Now, find that first chain 2 space from round 1. Right into that space, make a puff stitch. Chain 1. Okay, listen carefully. We're staying in the exact same chain 2 space. We need to make 4 more puff stitches. Crucially, make sure you chain 1 between each of these puff stitches. So, in this 1 space, you'll have a total of 5 puff stitches, each separated by a chain 1. This creates the first lovely top curve of the heart. It'll look like a little fan of puffs. Chain 1. In the next chain space, draw up a loop 4 times and make a puff stitch. Slightly different this time? Chain 1. Move to the following chain 2 space. Make another plump puff stitch here, again pulling up the loop 4 times. Chain 1. In the next chain space, draw up a loop 3 times and make a total of 5 puff stitches. Just like we did before. Chain 1. In the next 2 chain spaces, we're going to make 2 puff stitches side by side. For these, draw up a loop 4 times for each puff. Chain 1. In the next chain space, draw up a loop 3 times and make a total of 5 puff stitches. Chain 1. Okay, so we've created the pattern like this. You should be able to see the heart shape forming. Check out this heart pattern we've made. It's absolutely darling. You've worked 5 puff stitches with 3 loops, 2 side-by-side puff stitches with 4 loops, and another 5 puff stitches with 3 loops. After making those 2 side-by-side 4-loop puff stitches, and then the final 5 puff stitches, work a single crochet in the space right between the last 2 puff stitches. Chain 1, then cut your yarn. Now, let's weave in those yarn tails on the back of your heart to keep everything neat and tidy. Hide them as well as you can between the stitches. Hey, loving this project? Hit that thumbs up and subscribe. I'd love to see you back for more. This gorgeous heart we just made is the back of our keychain. How sweet is that? Now, let's whip up another one just like it for the front. Same steps, same fun. Let's do this! When you reach the end of the round for the second heart design, make a slip stitch into the last chain space to join. Here, pull the magic rings yarn to tighten it up and weave in all the ends on the backside, just like we did before. Okay, both heart pieces are ready. Now, place the 2 heart pieces with the insides facing each other. Start at the last chain spaces of both hearts and work a single crochet through both layers together. Start at the top of the first puff stitch and continue joining the hearts with a chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch as you go down. This creates a nice seamless connection between the 2 pieces. Keep joining the hearts until you reach the tip of the heart shape. I hope you're having fun with this project. If you are, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. We're now at the tip of the heart, specifically at the third puff stitch of the group of 5 puff stitches at the point. To get a nice sharp point down here, chain 2. In the same space, make a single crochet. Continue joining the hearts by making slip stitches, chain 1, slip stitch, chain 1, slip stitch as you go up to the top. When you reach the end of the round, chain 1. Slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet you made to join everything together. Chain 1, then cut the yarn. And now, for the final touch, attach your keychain clip. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, please share it with your crochet friends. Thanks for watching. And there you have it. Your heart keychain is ready to use or gift to someone special. That brings us to the end of this video tutorial. I truly hope you had fun making this little heart along with me and found the instructions clear. Can't wait to see you in the next tutorial. Before you go, please subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your crafty crew. Drop a comment below. What colors did you use? Let's chat about your masterpiece. Happy crocheting, everyone. Stay creative and see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.